Hi everyone, this is Umair from Simple Tutorials, and today we will be discussing about how to change server region in Discord. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to simply donate to our channel, so that will be super awesome and supportive. Now coming on to the video here, as you can see, the first thing that we need to do is simply head over to the region override option, and to access it you can simply click on the gear icon on the bottom left side of your screen of your server. Then once you click on that, you will see we have this option of manage channels in here. So make sure that you are on this setting, and once you are here, you will be in the voice channel settings. You will set specific voice over region through region override drop down menu, and you can see we have this option. We can convert it from automatic to anything that we like, and that is exactly how to change server region in Discord. And I really hope you got to learn this one. And yeah, so that is it for this video. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel. That will be super awesome. And also, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you around in the next video.